Welcome to TicTacToe, iOS TicTacToe in using UI Kit. This is Golden Thumb. So, in this video, let's create our printable description of our game board. Okay, so we'll customize the description of our TicTacToe object. So let's go to TicTacToe to make this guy a dot. Custom string convertible. Okay. Oh, actually we can use extension for that to follow some convention. So we can say TicTacToe. Oh, extension TicTacToe. No, custom string convertible here, and the autocomplete will give us a description. Yeah, and we can return, right? For empty game board, we can return a 3x3 dots, right? 9 dots. So let's define a var for description equals empty and return this one. So we'll have a for loop for the row, like I in 0 dot dot less than 3, right? We have, oh, let's use this column. So we'll append a dot like that. So let's give it a try, run it. Three dots. Okay, cool. So we need 3 rows for them. So we have another for loop like that. This one will be row in. We cannot do like, okay, so yeah, we'll use this same thing here. We'll duplicate the right each row 3 times, and we need a line break after each row like that. So try it again, run it. Yeah, the printing comes out of this line of code, right? View controller here, we print it here. Okay, yeah. Now let's add the bottom label 0, 1, 2, okay, for the columns. So that one is easy. Description like 0, 1, 2. Run it. Yeah, it's like that, right? Now let's add a 0, 1, 2, okay, for bottom up for the rows. So row 0, okay, so we'll put it here, right? Plus equal something like we cannot put a row here. Oh, this is the syntax to change the to get the value of the row here. If we did that, let's try it. The order will be the opposite. 0, 1, 2. We want to be, yeah, to make this one 0. Okay, so we can use 3 is this 3? 2 minus, right? 2 minus row. So 2 will become 0. And 1 is still 1. 0 will become 2. Okay. Yeah, this is our, oh, we need to add another space here. This is our game board, an empty game board. Now, what if we do have some pieces? So, can we put both files side by side? Okay, so that's hold down Option key and click click our controller, view controller file. Oh yeah, so it's here. Let's insert one pieces somewhere. Oh, here as a testing code, right? So let's put our piece here. Let's create one. So piece like that, colon. Let's put it at the 0 and the 0 player dot. Yeah, because the X player moves first. So we should be able to print out an X here, right? But so far we don't have the code there, and let's create a piece add helper function here. Piece add colon, so we can get the piece at the location, right, from the pieces box. Return, it can be empty, so it will be piece question mark. It's an optional one. It's either nil or a piece object. Okay, so we'll loop through all the pieces in pieces box. So if piece dot colon is same as that column, right, this guy, and piece dot row, right, is same as the row, and yeah, here it means we do find the piece at this location, right? So we return the piece after we loop through all the pieces at maximum, right? There are 9 of them, and we return nil if we never find one, right? If we never find one. So now here, instead of output the dot, we need to check if there is a piece or not, right? So if, oh, that's great. Oh, we can use if let here. If let piece is equals piece add our column and the row. If that means if the piece, we do find the piece here, then we can append our x or o, right, depending on the which player. Okay, so which player, we can say we can create a computed variable here. So can we do that? Let is x, okay, returns bool equals self is same as dot x. Must not contain stored. Okay, so it has to be a function. Function is x, right? Return boolean, and it will return self, not itself. Is it? Only of this self equals dot. Do we? Oh, this one. Yeah, that's what I need. Yeah, like that. So yeah, we add a convenient function here to check if a player is x. We can use, so go back to here, no. So we can use something like, for example, piece dot player equals dot x. This is a ternary, right? If that, we append x. Otherwise, we'll append an O here. Command B, it should compile. Yeah. Else, otherwise, if there's no piece, right, we just, like before, we put a dot there. So this means if there is a piece, we'll append an X or O, right, based on which player this piece belongs to. Now, instead of that, since we already have that is X, so we can use this one is command B. Okay, is piece dot what? We should have. Do we have that? Command B. Value of. Oh, sorry about that. It's not. It's player dot is X. Yeah. And now let's give a try. Command R. We should be able to see the X. Oh. This is wrong. Description piece at the row. Yeah, this is not actually the row here. This is the row. Okay, so so better to use this. Let's change this to I. Okay, so refactor. This is not the row, it's actually I. Okay, rename. It's not row. Our row is, so that row is actually this guy, right? 2 minus I. This is our row. So let's put it here. This is actually the row, because we reverse the order here. So this is row, so we have to put the row here, not the I itself. Yeah, now let's try it again. Command R. Yeah, very good here, right? So now let's add another piece to show. Say, for example, here is an O. Okay, in the middle, 1 1. Yeah, those are testing code. Okay, so eventually we'll remove that. The second piece, yeah, you can add this or 2. Let's put a 1 1 here. for player O, right? The second move, something like that. Okay, run it. Yeah, here, right? So in the next video, we'll draw those pieces on the game board screen. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next